Hey everyone, it's me, Joseph Peretz, and you're watching my brand new video series, How to Build Your Own ADU Garage Conversion. What is the biggest mistake homeowners make with their HVAC system? You'll have to watch the entire video to find out. Now, before you do your HVAC on your ADU, you're going to have to design the ADU. I have designed and built more than 50 ADUs in the past year, and I also do construction in the greater Los Angeles area. If you have any questions at all about architectural, design, or construction, feel free to go to my website, josephperetz.com. It's linked down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your ADU enthusiast friends. Now, let's talk about the #1 mistake homeowners make with their HVAC system. In this week's video, we'll be talking about the mechanical for your ADU garage conversion. This garage is an existing 370 square feet. We are converting this garage into a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom ADU. Ducts or no ducts? That is always the question. I always say if it's very small, then do ductless mini splits. You can tell there's no ducts, water comes down from here, all the excess water goes out that way, but we don't have central AC. Right now we have a 1-bedroom, so we have a ductless mini split in the living room, and if you look on this side, a ductless mini split for the bedroom. Now, if you have a much bigger unit, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 800 square feet, 1,200 square feet, you should probably do central AC. But it really depends on your size. Let's talk about the AC condenser. We already discussed we have 2 mini splits in our ADU, so now we have our condenser. Condensers can usually go on the exterior. They can also go on the roof or in the attic. I personally like to do it on the exterior, on the floor, with a concrete pad. The reason why I'm doing that is because eventually they shake, and I don't want them shaking on my roof. That's #1. #2 is they usually need to be 3 to 4 feet away from the property line because they do make a little bit of noise. So make sure to look at the noise that the AC makes, look at the city rules, and see how far they need to be from the property line. The other thing that we need to know is the amount of power this thing has. This thing is built for 18,000 BTU. So make sure that you look at your Title 24 page to see how many BTUs is the minimum and how many BTUs is the maximum, so you have a good range for your AC and you don't buy the wrong AC. A lot of people forget this kill switch right here. So that's only for this AC unit. You'll see here we also have a kill switch here for this AC unit. Very important. I know it's a little bit ugly and people try to get away with it, but you need to have a kill switch here. And it's just gonna be a switch that you can turn on and off in case there's a fire and in case there's a malfunction with this AC unit. Don't forget your kill switch. The #1 mistake homeowners make when installing their HVAC system is installing central AC in their garage conversion. We're always going to do our mini splits. Now, another mistake homeowners make is only doing 1 mini split. Again, we have 2 rooms. We have our bedroom, that's 1 room, and then we have our living room and sometimes kitchen, that's a different room. So we always need 2 heads. Now again, I know 2 heads are expensive, but spend a little bit extra money, put 1 head in the bedroom and 1 head in the living room. The tenants will love it, you will love it, and you'll also have much more efficiency in your ADU. No central AC, always ductless mini splits. Thanks again for watching the video. If you like what you just saw, I offer a comprehensive course on how to build an ADU garage conversion as an owner builder. Just go to josephperetz.com for all your ADU needs. The course is going to save you thousands of dollars and hours of headaches. And again, remember, like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment down below anything you need for your ADU. And check out all my social media. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.